Yo, yo, yo. So we are live on YouTube. I'm gonna discuss a couple things, man, that has come to my mind lately. So for anybody that has been in crypto the last couple of weeks, I know a lot of people just got into crypto this year. I myself personally have helped out at least about 20 some people get into the markets and start their first investments this year alone. So I just want to go back to the beginning of the year. Well, not even the beginning of this year, the end of last year, October to December. So October to December, I'm not sure why BitBoy Crypto, whoever watches BitBoy, I'm not sure why this guy's talking about September is going to be the peak. Like, why, where is he getting that from? Every single run that crypto has made as far as Bitcoin rallies and then all the altcoins follow afterwards, they start from what is October, September, all of this. September doesn't even really matter. You know, October to December, that that is where it's at. So every single time, if we go back, you have to go because Binance doesn't have it all the way back. We have to go to Bitstamp. All right. So on Bitstamp, as you can see, October to December. All right, it's 2017. If you really want to go all the way back, you go all the way back down here, and you can see the first one in 2013. What is that? October to December. Every time. So I don't know what the heck this guy is talking about, but you know, October to December, every time. This one actually lasted all the way to March. This one went crazy. It went December, and then it just what? So you know the past doesn't repeat. They say it rhymes. So that is very true. I'm thinking this is gonna rhyme again this time. And right here, the setup that we had on Coinbase, we either had it rebounding back down before breaking out or just breaking out, rebounding and dipping out. I ended up marking it up on this one a little bit cleaner, Binance, and I ended up doing some certain key levels that had to be broken, and that's why I'm doing this video, because this key level at 51,000 just got broken, like broken. It had been messing around. I knew that we had a potential for it to rebound here. And if this ended up getting broken at any time, then it was going to be a little funny. But this has been going just as we wanted it to go. And I believe that October, uh, right now we're in September, but this month ending should have us, in my personal view, above the last higher high. So it should have us either grinding on it or already passing it. Once we have started what is October to December, I believe that that's whenever we will break out of this zone that I have here at 68,500, which is the first Fibonacci level. And then we're gonna get out of here, which should last till December or so. Where am I looking to get out? I don't have any specific price other than, well, I guess I do kind of have some specific price, but like 70,000 to 90,000 is a very, very important price zone. So anywhere from this area going and making daily divergences as we did here will start telling me I need to take some profits. but that's what we're gonna talk about right now. All right, so taking profit. So I know BitBoy Crypto, Altcoin Daily, and a couple other channels have recently started talking about this because a lot of people are asking about it. Like, how do you take your money out? You know, if you take it out before a year that it has been in the market. So let's say you invested in March and you take it out in December. That's less than a year in investment time. So you would get charged about 40% tax. All right. So that's like half of your money that you will get taxed on your crypto. Um, so what me personally, what I'm gonna do with my crypto, whenever I am ready to take some profits at these peaks, I'm not gonna like just take all my money out and cash it out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer it into a stable coin, and that way, let's say you invested 1,000 and it becomes 10,000, and then you're like, oh man, well, let me just cash it out. You can if you want, but you would have to pay 40% if it's in less than a year. If it's over a year, I believe it's about 15% capital gains. So either way, if you have 10 racks here and you don't take it out, you don't do anything, whatever, it'll come all the way back down. Now you're 1,000 to 10,000, you're making 2,500 or 3,000. You just lost 70% of what you were making. So right here, this is how you, what did I forgot who said that. This is how you go from a thousandaire to a millionaire. I like the way that that dude put it. So this is how you flip the money in crypto. You started with 1,000, you made it 10,000. Once you start seeing the divergent peaks, which I will make another video on it as I see the divergence developing and the weekly as well, showing me that it's, you know, when I see what I need to see, I'm gonna let y'all know. The point is, so if you had 1,000, you made 10,000, you cash it out at 10,000 at the peak of these, boom. So now it drops all the way back down. It breaks through the line. You already know you're going on a massive 70% rally minimum. So then you come and you find support. Look at all that. You find support. It's going to squeeze. When you start seeing the support, that's when you start investing your 10,000 that you still have, because you cash out your 10,000 and put it into a stable coin. When this comes back down, you don't, your money's still in crypto. Stable coin is a crypto that doesn't move in price. So, you know, you cash it out, it's going to stay at 10,000. It's not going to move. And then once this comes back down here, you invest your 10,000 back into the markets. You know, so let's say you got out in April and you would have got back in June, April, May, June, 2 months later, boom. And then you would have gone back in with your 10,000. And now by the time that it reaches the next high again, you would be making, let's say, 18,000 or so. You know, so again, you started with 1,000, you make 10,000, you take it out, put it on stable coin, it rebounds, you go back in, and now on the way back up, now you're making 18,000 at the same exact spot where you were making 10. So that's how these like big money investors grow their wealth. And that's what I am going to do with some of my investments as well. Some of it I am taking profits because I am investing it in other things that I have in mind that is going to make money as well. But that's pretty much my point on how you can just keep on making money with your crypto. And yeah, so once it reaches that massive zone, wherever it's going to get to, and you start, you know, we start seeing this huge rebound, and it comes all the way back down to, let's say, $20,000, 25 to $20,000. That, my friends, is whenever, boom. So now you went from 1,000, cashed out 10,000, you went back in. Now you're making, this is 18, this is what, 34. Let's say you're making 40 to 50,000 now. With your 1,000, now you're at 50,000. Boom. You take out your money, and then once you see it back in the lowest area, you go back in, because we know that 2024, guys, 2024, 2025, 2026, those 3 years, all right, are gonna be insane for the crypto markets. The adoption is gonna be just out of there by that point. Just I can't even put it into words. It's gonna be freaking out of there. So whenever that happens, then we'll see the next wave, right? So I mean, this is just me drawing this shit right here, right? But you get the point. If this thing rallies to 150, 200,000 this time, whatever, it's gonna still rebound, even if it does this crazy stuff, right? Boom. It's gonna still rebound about 70%. So once it does, this is where you go back in and ride it to the next wave, which will happen around 2024. I believe so because of the 4-year cycles in crypto. So that is what I'm looking at right now. Everything is just freaking booming. We're gonna check out some of these cryptos, and I'm gonna do math to show you how much people are making, and how much you can make from where we're at now. So I'm gonna start off with ADA. So let me go over here because Coinbase barely got it on there. Cardano, man, look at this. Look at how far these drawings go back. Are you serious? I drew this in January 2021. So this year, January, guys, January of this year, when we initially drew this drawing, man, look at this. Oh my God, come on. Are you serious? Are you serious right now? So it's at 30, it was at 30 cents. All right, 25, 30 cents. We're just gonna range it at 30 cents. We're gonna pull out the calculator. This is my favorite part. Where's the calculator? Where you at? All right, so let's just do $1,000 investment. I think that that's not too crazy for anybody. So we're just gonna do $1,000 investment, and we're gonna divide that into 30 cents. So you'll be looking at 3,333 shares, coins, however you want to put it, and then times this thing hit $3. We're just gonna range it at $3. So your 1,000 would have became 10,000. That's a 10x from where we're at now. All right. So that's a 10x on your money. That is not bad at all from January to right now. We're not even at the end of the year. So Cardano from, let's say, December to March, what is it going to hit? Because as Bitcoin hits its top, I'm gonna do what I need to do on Bitcoin, but I believe that Bitcoin hits the top and then the altcoins rally afterwards. So let's say Bitcoin hits its top in December and then it starts tanking. The altcoins will probably keep on going all the way to like February, March before they start tanking. So something like that. But they same thing. Whenever the charts start showing that they're just too out there that they need to retrace, I'm gonna make that video and I'm gonna let y'all know when I'm getting out. But okay, so that's a 10x, right? So let's go back to 3. So because we're not done with this bull run, if y'all believe the same thing as I do, then we're not done with it. If we go up to $10 on Cardano, which is nothing crazy from where it's at now, it's at $3. This is realistic. I'm not even saying like $70 or $100 like a lot of people are saying. I'm just going realistic on a $10 scale. So if you invested in January of this year $1,000, you would make 33,000 by the time it hits $10. And this could happen this year. So your $1,000 investment will become 33,000 in a year, approximately, for whoever invested in Cardano when we're talking about this in December and January. That's freaking insane. But that's not even as insane. Not even as insane as some of this other stuff I'm about to show you. Look, check this out. Where is VeChain? All right. VeChain is freaking out of there too. Called it out at 3 pennies officially on the chat. And we called it back out right here in June when it was hitting around these lows of 8 pennies. I remember it was 8 pennies, not even 7 or 6. I was like, man, 8 pennies is a cop, and rebounded one more time. And then this right here, when it broke out, I made a video and I said it. I was like, man, this thing is about to freaking bounce. We're gonna hit this trend, and once we break that trend, we are out of there. So we have broken it. We have finally touched it. That's why it's perfect time to make this video. It's perfect time. So we have touched it, and we are breaking through just as Bitcoin breaks through the psychological level of $52,000. Man, it just everything just coincides perfectly. So we're gonna go and see at the beginning of this year in January, if you would invested in this coin at a penny, all right, 0.1. All right, so let's go with calculator. All right, so clear this. $1,000 divided into a freaking penny. Oh shit, put 2 zeros there. My baby. So that's 100,000 coins you would have got with $1,000 at a penny, right? So, okay, if this thing right now is at 15 cents, how much are you making if you invested $1,000 at the beginning of the year in VeChain? Damn, that's a 15x, guys. That's a 15x return on your money. And this is the craziest part on VeChain. That look, I'm gonna put this down. That we're not even at the high that we reached in April yet, because it's gonna freaking surpass that high. I could bet my toe on it. It's gonna fucking surpass it. So once we surpass it, then we're gonna go to the 30-cent range and beyond. But let's just go 30 cents, just keeping it chilling. So we're gonna go to 30-cent range. Where is my calculator? All right, so we have 100,000 shares, remember. So we're gonna go 100,000 shares times 30 cents. Okay, $30,000. That's a 30x on your money. 30x on your money right there. So these are huge opportunities. Just investing $1,000 here, $1,000 there in some good projects. Like let's say you invested 1,000 in VeChain at the beginning of the year and 1,000 in Cardano. You would potentially at the end of this not even at the end, but you would potentially, like, very, very, very likely, in my personal opinion, looking at 85 to 95% chance that you will have $60,000 easily throughout this bull run. So that's 2,000 turned into 60,000. That's 30x beautiful returns that we're seeing right now. And a lot of people are going for VeChain here to hit $1, which me personally, I'm one of those people. I believe that it will definitely hit $1. What VeChain is doing, if you don't know, check it out. But they are taking over the world, man. Taking over. So 100,000 times $1, you already know the math. It's $100,000. So if you would invest at 1,000, you could potentially turn it into $100,000. That's 100x return that we're seeing on some of these cryptos. And just to give you an example, because I know some people that might be new or whatever, right? I might be like, what? Get out of here, man. Nah, man, you get out of here. Check this out. So Tailcoin. Oh, man. Kick myself in the stomach every time I think about this. So check this out, man. Check this shit out. This is where my boy called this, okay? Not even messing around with you. So this is where he called it. This is insane. This is insanity. let's do some freaking math. All right, 0. This is in January, and we're gonna go to the beginning of January, which is yes, 0002. Because it was at 0001, but it hit by January, it was at 2. Okay, so 0002. Let's do this shit. Let's do this. 0002, $1,000. Oh, come on, where'd you go? All right, $1,000 divided into 0.0002. 3 zeros, guys. Remember that. All right, Telcoin. 3 zeros that it hit, that was on January. Okay, so if you divide that, that would end up giving you, oh shit, I'm doing this wrong. Too excited, guys. 1,000 divided, oh shit, come on. I'm not clearing this. Let me see. Divided by 0.0002. That's 5 million coins that you would have got. 5 million shares, okay? So those 5 million shares, how high did this go? How high did this go? What? 10x, 20x, freaking, I don't even know, like 50x. What? Damn. I know, insanity. So that's what we're seeing with these cryptos. What is that? 6 pennies. All right, 6.5 pennies. We're gonna go and we're gonna put 6.5 pennies on there, and we're gonna see how much that turns into. So times, y'all ready for this? 0.065. $325,000. No cap whatsoever. All right, so your $1,000 would have turned to $325,000 from January if you would have hit the peak in May 11th, May 10th. $325,000. Now, yes, look at that rebound. Yes, it has to do, that's the market. It has to be, in order for it to be healthy, it has to do that. So if you can see all the way to the first moves, imagine that you couldn't see none of that. This is where it was at, you know? So imagine that this is where it was at. So it hit the first one, it came back and rebounded. It hit the second move, came back and rebounded. They never even came back and swallowed this price, which is, they probably swallowed it in a smaller time frame. But still, look at this beautiful flag. Bam! Rebound, ate that whole price back up. And then ate it all back up. So right now we're on our way back up on Telcoin. Beautiful gains, man. Craziness. So I'm gonna give y'all some good ones that y'all need to check out. XRP right now is also on its run from $1 that it broke out of right here. Beautiful flag that it was building, just like XRP always does. Bam, mini flag, broke out of the mini flag. I called this as the buy, and we have started it already. Leverage trading XRP, gotta love it, guys. If you're gonna leverage trade any crypto, XRP is the shit. Breakout, huge money, boom. Breakout, huge money. Breakout, huge money, guys. What? Yes, sir. I got it going all the way up. So I do believe that XRP is an easy 10x if you got in at $1, which was the rebound, guys. It was a rebound. No, I'm lying. I got back in at 60 cents, if I remember correctly. Heck yeah, look. Boom, I got back in at 60 cents. It went as low as 52 cents, but I got beautiful entry right here when it started breaking out of this channel. Oh my God, I'm glad I did. We told everybody on the chat, on our group chat that we have on Telegram. It's been quiet lately, but shit, let these cryptos start booming and everybody's gonna start talking about it again. It's just, beautiful to see everybody making money. I wonder what everybody's gonna do with their investments. I myself personally am gonna only take about 20% out of the investments that I have been holding for over a year. That way I don't get taxed up the ass. And on the other investments, I am definitely going to cash them out, leave them in stable coins so that when it rebounds 70-80%, I don't lose 70-80% of my money. I would just reinvest it back in and, make a killing. So I learned a lot from this mini bull run. If I would have taken out my profits at the top, major, major, major money. Bitch, yeah, you live, you learn, and you teach others what you learn. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I got for this video. Let me see, homeboy's still on here. Yeah. You got any questions, Brody?
No, I'm pretty chilling.
For sure, for sure. You gonna cash out on some stable coins, or are you thinking of getting your whole money out like this bull run, or what's your plan on it?
But to be honest, I ain't gonna lie to you. Right now I'm investing in like US pairs and stuff like that. Once I build my account up, I will start investing into cryptos. I heard that's the next big thing. And I've been on your Telegram for a year. I used to go to the office in Dallas. And
Oh, for sure. Yeah, yeah, I remember you. Okay, okay, that's what's up.
yeah, right now I'm just working and investing, getting the education because the cryptos they move a lot. And so even though I got a small account, I'm just building it with like GJ pairs and stuff like that. And once I build it to a certain number, I want to start doing cryptos. I'm not really too much educated on the cryptos, but that's something that I'm looking forward to within the next year.
Yeah, good stuff, man. What I would like just personally suggest, I'm not no financial advisor, or none, but just to like let you know my point of view on it as far as forex versus crypto, because I've been in the forex game for it's gonna be what 6 years now,
Right.
and I lost a lot of money on forex. I make some good money, but forex is a hit and miss system. And on the cryptos, even if let's say I had invested right here, and right here, which I did, I invested, the whole way up, and then it crashed, right?
Right.
I On forex, I probably would have got stopped out. No, I most definitely would have got stopped out. I would have lost my money on forex. It would have been gone. But in crypto, it just loses value a bit. You know what I'm saying? And then right now, I'm already back in profits from all of these entries and from the entries that I added over here. So it's just that's called oh my God, dollar cost averaging, where you just you know that the bigger picture is looking like this because of forex. We can read the charts the way that we're able to, the way that I'm able to, so I am definitely seeing this to go to $10 minimum as a short term, which is in the next 3 to 6 months, and I'm looking at this to hit like a real probable number of about $100 in the next 5 years or so. So when you're looking at something like that, it just makes you, to me is like everything I put in here right now, every dollar is gonna become $100. Every dollar that I put in. So even if I could just put in a little bit of money, whatever I got left over, let's say you got $20 this week, just put it into a good crypto that you believe in, and it'll be some emergency money, some, what I mean, for later on. And even if it's just a little bit, like my niece, she for her 15, she got $370, and she hit me up. This was in March, and she actually bought $70 worth of Telcoin. All right, the one that I just showed you that went like savage. So her $370 are 4,000 and like something, or were at its peak. which is insane, insane. So,
That's
you
crazy.
know,
And she
like,
dollars too.
yep, yep.
Yeah.
She's 15, and that's where it's at now. So I can only imagine what it's gonna be at when she's 21, 20, 23. And that could be her down payment for a house at that point. I mean, whatever, but it's something that $370 that she got for her birthday. It's not a lot, but she could have gone and bought some shoes or whatever. But she decided to hit me up, and she's like, man, let me invest. Let me, watch out for my future. She's a smart kid. But the point is, it's major, the opportunity that we have right now. And Forex is one thing. And I definitely understand wanting to grow the money in Forex and then take the profits out and invest it in crypto, which is something I do. But I am telling you, me as a 6-year experienced trader, it's a hit and miss system on Forex. Whereas in cryptos, I believe it's a more of a 99% that it's gonna happen if you invest in the right projects, not like anything crazy or something that just came out.
Okay.
Yeah, but just a little thought. So, if you ever want to just start investing, just let either one of us know, any of the admins, and we'll get you set up.
Right, for sure. You got Instagram?
Yeah, I do got Instagram, JV
Okay, yeah, type it in the chat, bro. Let me see.
Sure, look, let me put it on there right now. Oh, let me look you up. You're under Darren Taylor on there?
Yeah.
Is it just says Darren Taylor, or because there's a couple?
Oh, you talking about my Instagram?
Yeah.
It's stunt 4x life. So STUNT,
Forex Live.
and then it's gonna be like an underscore.
Stunt Forex underscore lifer.
No, it's stunt 4x life underscore.
Okay. Oh, like a 4 or like a
Yep.
4x?
Like
Okay, okay. Okay, okay, I got you. I just started following you.
already. Yeah, man. Like I said, I really do want to invest in some cryptos, man. Because I ain't gonna lie, I ain't trying to miss out, But right now, I just been slowly building my account. I got this book called The Trading Bible, and it's teaching you about the
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
candles and all that good stuff. I got like a lot of courses that I'm going over, like the Daniel Savage course, Mission FX, um, Phipps, no, Wicks Don't Lie. Um, I got Naked Forex books. So yeah, I'm just
Yeah, that's good, bro. Like the advice that I can give you, man, is that like me personally, I got a lot of like little courses, and I learned from a lot of people, but it took me a while to really comprehend that, like, oh shit, I can't trade like them. I
right,
learned a lot from everybody, but at the end of the day, you're gonna trade like you do. Everybody has their own way of seeing the markets. And when you really start accepting that the way you see the market, and all it is practice, 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 practice. And then you'll start seeing the market in your own way, which was built with a little bit of everybody's point of view. And you know what I'm saying?
right,
So that's really all it is. But if there's some people that they wanna be like another trader, and they can't. Like I kept trying to trade like this dude Market Sharks, Damon Alexander, but I'm not a full scalper. Like I can't like I want bigger pips. So I'm more of a position trader. So you just gotta kind of figure out what kind of trader you are: scalper, day trader, swing trader, position trader, and go from there.
Facts. I think I'm more like a price action trader, if that makes sense.
Mm, all right, so you just kind of look for the price to break out, or what do you mean?
Breakout. I trade breaks and retests of horizontal levels.
Okay, okay. Because like a scalper, you just go in and you get out. They don't like to hold it for more than like, a couple minutes. If anything, like less than an hour is for a scalper. You just go in and out.
Right.
A day trader, they look for trades along the day, which you could, be in there for a couple hours, and then hold that trade. And then a swing trader, you're talking about people that hold it for days, if not weeks. And then a position trader is somebody kind of like me. I'm addicted. I'm addicted to seeing these positions. And when I see the position and I see that it's like thousands of pips potential, I love it because you can put a little bit of money, hold it for a couple of months, and it'll give you huge returns. So that's what I'm into. And it took me a while to figure it out because I started scalping, and then I grew into a day trader, and then I perfected my strategy into being a position trader. So yeah.
Okay. That makes sense.
Mm.
Hmm.
But yeah, you'll evolve into your own, your own beast. But shit, if anything else, bro, just let us know, and if anything, we'll just leave it at that. And if you have any people that like want to invest in the crypto markets right now, like I'm not even gonna charge people, man, if they want to get in, because I was charging in March and stuff when we were like down there. But now you only have like half of the returns that we had. So, a little 5x or so if anybody wants to invest. But yeah, bro, with that being said, if you don't have any more questions, we'll just end up the meeting.
No, I don't have no more questions, man. I would say do me a favor if you can. Just send me a list of the cryptos that are worth investing in. That way I can just do my research on it. Because like I said, within a couple months, I'm fit get my LTMO account. I'm pretty sure. Do you know what that is, right?
Yeah, man, I just failed the FTMO. I was on the second stage, and the first stage you got to pass 10,000, so I got that, and then I had to get 5,000, and I freaking went to 4,700. I only needed 300 more, and I went savage trying to get those 300, and it just kept getting worse and worse until I failed. But
So you got
yeah.
pass the second one. So you just got to pass the first and second one, and that's it.
Yeah, that's it. You get 30 days to pass the first stage. I passed it in 2 weeks, and then you get another 30 days to pass the second stage, which is you only got to get 5,000 instead of 10,000. But yeah, it's pretty lit, man. I'm definitely gonna take it again. Definitely gonna get funded. It's inevitable. But
Yeah.
man, yeah, it's a emotional roller coaster, man. For
Yeah. You
real.
you got to pay to take the course too, right?
Yeah, it's $600 to take the little test.
What happens if you fail? Like you lose your $600?
Yeah, you just, you pretty much, yeah, you lose the 600, you don't get funded. If you pass it, then they actually refund you your $600 on your first cash out.
Okay. Okay. Thanks for the heads up. Like I said, I'm just getting the education for to get this LTMO going. Then once I did that, I want to start investing in these cryptos.
Heck yeah, man. Good stuff, bro. Let's do it. And if, like I said, any help or anything, just let us know.
So yes, sir. I appreciate it, boss.
No worries, man. You have a good one, bro.
Yes, sir. You too, man.
We're out of here, JV, Oasis Trading Club. We're out.
Peace.